We have already seen power rule. Let's look at power rule with substitution. Part 1, integral of 3x4 minus 1 to the power of 5 times 12x cube dx. Okay, let's increase the space. Okay, now here let's take u is equal to 3x4 minus 1. Okay, and let's differentiate this. We get 12x cube dx. So 12x cube dx is there. One of the factors is the derivative of the other. So let's do the substitution now. We get integral of u to the power of 5 times, and this is nothing but du. So suddenly our integral becomes very straightforward, and we can do the integration. Now let's substitute back. So we get 3x to the power of 4 minus 1 to the power of 6 by 6 plus c. Never forget that c. Okay, second one, integral of x to the power of 4 plus 5 to the power of 4 times 4x cube dx. Here directly you can see, if you differentiate this, you get this, right? Okay, so u will be x to the power of 4 plus 5 du would be 4x cube dx. Okay, so let's do the substitution. We get u to the power of 4 du, which becomes u to the power of 5 by 5, which after substituting back, x to the power of 4 plus 5 to the power of 4, no, not 4, 5, 5 by 5 plus c. Okay, third one, integral of 10x times 5x square minus 1 to the power of 4 dx. Again, u is equal to 5x square minus 1. Du would be 10x dx. So we get integral of 10, this will be u to the power of 4 and du. So when we integrate, we get u to the power of 5 by 5, which can be written as, after substituting back, 5x square minus 1 to the power of 5 by 5 plus c. Okay, fourth one, integral of 16x cube 4x4 plus 3 to the power of 5 dx. So again, u is equal to 4x4 plus 3. So du will be 16x cube dx. So integral of u to the power of 5 du, which gives us u to the power of 6 by 6, which becomes 4x4 plus 3 to the power of 6 by 6 plus c. Okay, fifth one, integral of 20x to the power of 4 times 4x to the power of 5 plus 5 cube dx. So again, u is equal to 4x to the power of 5 plus 5. Du is equal to 20x to the power of 4 dx. So this integral becomes u to the power of 3. So when we integrate, we get u to the power of 4 by 4, which becomes 4x to the power of 5 plus 5 to the power of 4 by 4. Okay, sixth one, integral of x to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 5 times 4x cube dx. Okay, so u is x to the power of 4 minus 2. Du is equal to 4x cube dx. So this becomes u to the power of 5 times du. So after integrating, we get u to the power of 6 by 6, which becomes x to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 6 by 6 plus 5. The seventh one, let's change gears now. Integral of 12x cube root of 2x square minus 3 dx. Looks complicated, right? Let's see what happens. Let's take this expression as u. So u becomes 2x square minus 3. Okay, so du would be 4x. Now, if this becomes 4x dx, then when we substitute it back, what do we get? Let's actually write it as u to the power of 1 by 3 because it is cube root times du. But this 12, but here only 4 is there. So which means to make sure it comes out 12x, we take 3 out. So 4x dx is du, 4x times 3 is 12x. Okay. Now this is pretty straightforward. U 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1, which gives us u 4 by 3 by 4 by 3, which gives us 3 times 3 by 4 u to the power of 4 by 3, which gives us 9 by 4 times 2x square minus 3 to the power of 4 by 3 plus c. Here we didn't get the exact 12x dx, we didn't get. So we had to split the constant. Okay. Okay. So eighth one. Integral of 48x to the power of 2, 4x cube minus 1 to the power of minus 5 dx. Again, let's take this as u. So u is equal to 4x cube minus 1. Du becomes 12x square dx. Okay. Now we need 12x square here. So 12 fours 48. So 4 we take it out. We are left with 12x square. So we can substitute du. So here we will have u to the power of minus 5 du, which gives us 4u to the power of minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 by minus 4. 4 and 4 cancels. Minus also cancel it and put it here. Otherwise we'll forget it. So we are left with minus, let's substitute back, 4x cube minus 1 to the power of minus 4, which can be written as minus 1 by 4x cube minus 1 to the power of 4 plus c. Ninth one, integral of 40x to the power of 4 times 2x to the power of 5 plus 5 square root dx. So let's take u is equal to 2x5 plus 5. Du would be 10x4 dx. Now we have to factor out 10 here. So we are left with 4, which we take it out. So this becomes u to the power of 1 by 2 d. So 4u to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, which gives us 4 times 2 by 3 u to the power of 3 by 2. So let's do the substitution. 8 by 3, 2x to the power of 5 plus 5 to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, 10th one, integral of 3x cube minus 1 to the power of minus 3 times 36x square dx. Even without doing actual substitution, in your mind itself you can do that. You know, if you differentiate this, you get 9x square. X square is perfectly fine, but only 9 is there. So let's take 4 out. So this will be 4, 9x square, right? 3x cube minus 1 to the power of minus 3 dx. Okay, you know what? It's better to do the substitution, right? So if we say u is equal to 3x cube plus, no, not plus, minus 1, then du is going to be 9x square dx. Okay, since I've already done it. So this becomes u to the power of minus 3 du, which gives us 4 u to the power of minus 2 by minus 2. Two twos, let's bring in minus up. This becomes minus 2 u to the power of minus 2. So we can write it as minus 2 by 3x cube minus 1 square plus c. 11th one, integral of 80x cube 5x4 plus 2 to the power of 5 by 3 dx. So u is equal to 5x4 plus 2, du is equal to 20x cube dx. Right? So here let's factor out 4. We'll be left with 20x cube dx. So perfectly fine. So u to the power of 5 by 3 d. We get 4 times u to the power of 5 by 3 plus 1 gives us 8 by 3 by 8 by 3. That becomes 4 times 3 by 8 u to the power of 8 by 3. So 4 2's 8, which gives us 3 by 2 times 5x4 plus 2 to the power of 8 by 3 plus c. 12th one, integral of 40x times 5x square minus 1 to the power of 4 dx. Okay, u is equal to 5x square minus 1. So du is equal to 10x dx. Let's factor out so that only 10x is left. We get 4 times 10x 5x square minus 1 4 dx, which becomes integral of u to the power of 4 du. 4 times u to the power of 5 by 5, which gives us 4 by 5, 5x square minus 1 to the power of 5 plus c. Okay, 13th one, integral of 20x4 times x to the power of 5 minus 3 to the power of 5 dx. So u will be x to the power of 5 minus 3, du would be 5x4 dx. So this becomes, again, we do the factoring. So 4 5x4 x to the power of 5 minus 3 5 dx. So we get integral of u to the power of 5 d. This becomes 4 u to the power of 6 by 6, which becomes 2 2's 2 3's. So this becomes not 4, 2 x to the power of 5 minus 3 to the power of 6 by 3 plus c. Okay, let's change gears again. 14th one, integral of 10 e to the power of 2x times cube root of e to the power of 2x plus 4 dx. Okay, again, let's take u is equal to e to the power of 2x plus 4. Du would be e to the power of 2x times 2 dx. So which becomes 2 e to the power of 2x dx. Now here again, we need 2 e to the power of 2x. So let's factor out 5. So 5 comes out, and we are left with 2 e to the power of 2x cube root of e to the power of 2x plus 4 dx. Now let's do the substitutions. This becomes u to the power of 1 by 3 du. When we integrate, we get u to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1. So that becomes 4 by 3 by 4 by 3, which is equal to 5 times 3 by 4 u to the power of 4 by 3. So we get 15 by 4 e to the power of 2x plus 4 to the power of 4 by 3 plus 16th one. integral of 12x cube by x to the power of 4 plus 3 cube. Now, in the previous problems, remember we had a product, right? And one of the factors was the derivative of the other. Now, here if you notice, the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. So let's do the substitution. U is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 3. Du is 4x cube dx. So now we can rewrite this as du 12x cube. So we have to factor out 3. So 3, if we take it out, we are left with 4x cube. So 4x cube dx is du by u cube, which can be written as 3 times u to the power of minus 3 du. And if we integrate it, we get u to the power of minus 2 by minus 2. Okay, so this becomes minus 3 by 2 u to the power of minus 2. So let's bring it down. We get x to the power of 4 plus 3 square plus c. Okay, let's again look at an interesting integral of cosec 5x to the power of minus 3, okay, times minus 20 cosec 5x cot 5x dx. Immediately you notice that cosec x derivative is minus cosec x cot x. So immediately you know that. So u is equal to cosec 5x. If we differentiate this, we get minus, in the end we will be differentiating this, so minus 5 cosec 5x. If we differentiate, we get cosec 5x cot 5x dx, right? So that means this becomes integral of, here we have minus 20, here we have minus 5. So let's factor out 4. So this becomes u to the power of minus 3 du 4. If we integrate it, we get minus 2 by minus 2, which becomes 2 2's minus, bring it up, so we get minus 2 u to the power of minus 2, which becomes minus 2. Let's bring it down and do the substitution. So cosec 5x, what do we have? Square. So cosec square 5x plus c. What looked complicated is pretty straightforward. 17th one, 15 times cosec square minus 5x times cot of minus 5x to the power of 1 by 4 dx. Again, looks complicated, but remember, if you differentiate cot, you get cosec square, or rather minus cosec square. So remember that. If you remember that, then it becomes very, very easy. So u will be cot minus 5x. If we differentiate it, we get minus cosec square minus 5x, and then we have to differentiate minus 5x, so minus 5. So this becomes cosec square 5 cosec square minus 5x dx. You should not forget that. Okay, so which means we can factor out 3. So 3, this becomes 5. This is cosec square minus 5x. This is nothing but du. So we don't even have to write 5. So u to the power of 1 by 4 du. Now it is pretty straightforward, right? 1 by 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 by 5 by 4, which gives us 3 times 4 by 5 u to the power of 5 by 4, which gives us 12 by 5. And let's do the substitution. So cot minus 5x to the power of 5 by 4 plus c. Okay, now let's look at the 18th one. Integral of 4x to the power of 5 plus 3 to the power of minus 3 times 100x to the power of 4 dx. Just because it's a large number, don't get confused. So let's say u is equal to 4x5 plus 3 du will be 20x4 dx. So we get here we have 100. So let's factor out 5. 5 to 10. Okay, 5. So this will be u to the power of minus 3 and this will be du. So if we integrate it, we get u to the power of minus 2 by minus 2. So this becomes minus 5 and here exponent is negative. So let's take it down and do the substitution. So 2 4x to the power of 5 plus 3 square plus c. So that is power rule with substitution. That's it.